Designing for Interaction by Dan Saffer is a comprehensive guidebook to the principles, processes, and techniques of interaction design. The book is designed to provide a clear and practical approach to designing effective and engaging digital products and services that meet the needs of users. Part 1: Foundations of Interaction Design. The first part of the book covers the basic concepts of interaction design. It introduces the elements of interaction, which include the user, the artifact, and the context. The user is the person who interacts with the artifact, which is the product or service being designed. The context includes the physical, social, and cultural factors that influence the user's interaction with the artifact. Part 1 also covers the importance of understanding user behavior in interaction design. The author explains that user behavior is influenced by factors such as personality, motivation, and perception. The author introduces the concept of user-centered design, which involves designing products and services based on the needs and preferences of users. Finally, Part 1 introduces the design process for interaction design. The author explains that the design process is iterative and involves activities such as user research, ideation, prototyping, and testing. The author stresses the importance of collaboration and communication among designers, developers, and stakeholders throughout the design process. Part 2: Principles of Interaction Design. The second part of the book introduces the fundamental principles of interaction design. The author explains that these principles are the building blocks of effective and engaging interaction design. The principles covered include feedback, affordances, mental models, and context. Feedback refers to the information that the product or service provides to the user about their actions. Affordances refer to the visual and functional cues that communicate the potential uses of the artifact to the user. Mental models refer to the user's understanding of how the product or service works. Context refers to the physical, social, and cultural factors that influence the user's interaction with the artifact. Part 2 also discusses the various types of interfaces, such as graphical user interfaces, web interfaces, mobile interfaces, and tangible interfaces. The author explains the unique characteristics and design considerations for each type of interface. Part 3: Techniques of Interaction Design. The third part of the book focuses on the techniques and tools used in interaction design. The author introduces the concept of prototyping, which involves creating low-fidelity versions of the product or service to test and refine the design. The author also covers usability testing, which involves observing and gathering feedback from users to identify usability issues. Part 3 also covers design patterns, which are reusable solutions to common design problems. The author introduces personas, which are fictional characters that represent the user groups that the product or service is designed for. The author also covers designing for emotion, accessibility, and global audiences. Part 4: Interactions in the Wild. The fourth part of the book discusses the challenges and opportunities of designing for various contexts. The author covers social media, ubiquitous computing, and the Internet of Things. The author also examines emerging technologies such as virtual and augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and natural language processing. Throughout the book, Saffer provides numerous examples, case studies, and practical tips to illustrate the key concepts and techniques of interaction design. The book also includes exercises and discussion questions to help readers apply the concepts to their own design projects. Overall, Designing for Interaction is an excellent resource for designers, developers, and product managers who want to create products and services that are both functional and engaging. The book provides a solid foundation in the principles and techniques of interaction design, and offers valuable insights into the future of digital interaction. The clear and practical approach makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced designers.